Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Dario. I'm traveling with my girlfriend Cecilia across Australia just to find some cool places. Today, I want to show you guys how we make money on the road and how you can too. So we're actually staying at a hip camp today, and if you don't know, hip camp offer a photography program. So if you have a camper, if you have a camera with some photography skills, you too can actually apply, and it's a really great program. And the best thing about it is you can get paid up to $100 just to take photos. It's quite a few photos, it's about 15 to 20, and you do kind of have to edit them. If you're experienced and you know what you're doing, it can be easy work. And also, you get a free campsite for the night, which is pretty cool. And it may not be your main source of income, but it could be fuel for the next week. It could be groceries. It's a really good deal. But because we've been filming other content all morning, we're getting a little bit hungry, so we might make some food. And then afterwards, I'm going to tell you about some other ways that you can make money on the road. So our other source of income actually comes from content creating for brands. So we take photos for brands and their products, we do videos for them, and they can pay you, and they can pay you quite nicely. So if you're on YouTube or Instagram, just give it a shot.
And I just would like to add on a couple of things. First of all, even if you're not gonna get any money from your social media, you're always gonna have it as a memory. That's also why we have started our Instagram, our YouTube, that maybe in our 60s, when we're gonna be sitting at home and nothing to do anymore, we're just gonna watch our videos and we're gonna have the memories forever, and just a reminder of what we did, how we traveled Australia once. Yeah, and the same with the Instagram. Or you can show it your kids. I'm not sure if it's gonna be our case, but you never know, right? And also, before we start this our big adventure, we have been working really hard in our regular jobs, and we saved as much money as we could. And selling all our things we owned in the beginning of our journey was great as well. So we know that we have savings for some time, which is gonna keep us going.
So some of the things you can actually do from the road, and we've heard this from friends that actually do it, but there's apps like Airtask, where you might do a job for somebody else. And again, it might not be a super high paying job, but it's enough to get by. You could also look at doing marketing. Marketing is a big one to do online. So you could pretty much do that from anywhere in the world. Good morning, everyone. So last night after dinner, we were just so tired that we didn't end up filming the rest of the video, unfortunately. We had this whole thing planned, and yeah, we just conked out, went to bed, and we were just absolutely wrecked. But to continue on with last night's video, you could even reach out to your current employer if you're currently employed, and you could ask them if there is any way of doing your job remotely, or you could ask if there's any job in the department that allows you to work remotely. So you could always try that out. And another job that you can try is day trading or swing trading or anything like that. And I know it sounds a bit scary, and it is a bit scary because obviously it's like gambling with real money. But if you take the time to learn it, you take the time to practice, you do as much research as you can, and you trade on a paper account, which is essentially a demo account on the real market, you might be able to make some money this way. I know a lot of people that are successful doing it. It does take time, unfortunately. It does take quite a long time, and then practice, practice, practice. But, if you really want it enough, you can get there. You will need an initial sum of investment. So like if you want to trade, maybe start trading with $100 or $1,000. Some people go in with $10,000 to $20,000. It is a good option if you are willing to put in the time, the work, the practice, and you are patient. You too could be successful day trading. So guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Hopefully you've learned something new about how we get paid on the road, and hopefully you've learned something new about how you could potentially get paid on the road. Maybe you could drop a like, share it with a friend, somebody who's maybe doing van life or thinking about doing van life as well. Save this video, maybe subscribe, it would definitely help us out. So thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next one.
See you later.